Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out in a video on CapCut PC. So if you want your videos to start smoothly and fade in, all you have to do is go ahead at the start of the video where you want the fade in to start. And now when you are on video and basic, you're going to scroll down and you will see the blend option right here. So you want to add a keyframe right here. Leave the opacity to 100 for now, and now you want to choose where you want the video to fade, basically be fully like this. So you want to choose, for example, this place, and again you're gonna add a keyframe, and now you will choose this arrow which says last keyframe. You're gonna click on that, and you will make the opacity to 0. Now, when you play the video, as you can see, it smoothly fades in. Now you want to do the same to the end of the video. So let's make a keyframe somewhere here. Again, add a keyframe. Now to the end of the video, add a keyframe and make it to 0. So now when you play the video, as you can see, it fades out. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.